Yo guys, how you doing? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fall color in your glass of juice or your cup. So by the way, if you want to try this, just take a screenshot and try to draw it in your Procreate or Ibis Paint X. So let's start. Now I'm adding some line like you see just to complete my drawing. This is on one layer, so remember to add another layer for color. Okay, just when you make a mistake you can remove it. Let's go. So now and other layer for background. So this is my color for background. I choose blue because it look good in this art. So you should take your time to match the color together. I'm doing this step-by-step tutorial in coloring just because I want you to see how to match color manual and how to add your color. And in Ibis Paint X you can choose, like you see now I'm trying to mix color, but I didn't like this, so I will change it. So red, it will match good with some other color like pink or this, in other language they call it Leila or something like that. Maybe in German maybe called Leila. So now we're gonna add orange. So like you see I'm adding it now. So I love to add the dark of color in my shape but the white of it in front, because to me to give that shape some 3D, to look 3D. Just try this and you will be good. Sorry for my voice, I am trying to speak but I'm really sick now. I'm not that good, my voice is not that good, so let's complete. I'm trying to just add some value to this video because I didn't want to use music anymore in my videos. I want to speak with you because we are community now and I want to be engaged with you. So let's complete. Oh, by the way, this video and other videos that I will share, this 3 or 4 video, it's old, so after them I will start sharing step-by-step tutorial with you because we are community now. So let's complete. Like you see, that's it, my artwork. So I didn't finish it at all because I wanted to see how much it easy. It cost me like 5 minutes to draw it or something like that. Let's say it's 10 minutes because I didn't share the steps, how it began, but 5 to 10 minutes it's so easy to draw. But I will start sharing step-by-step tutorial. By the way, for shadows, always add shadows on other layer. So dark shadows, below the artwork, and some white shadows, just to add some 3D on this thing, to your artwork. And on Ibis Paint X, I think it's more easy to add some straight lines. Also on Procreate, if you use Procreate, it will be more good. I will start using Procreate in another video. So I hope you enjoy and see you in another video.